This is a 2007 Volkswagen Passat 2.0 turbo. Problem with this vehicle is the pipe for the catalytic converter broke loose at the flange where it connects to the turbo. The shop here wanted around $200 to fix it, and they didn't have stainless steel wire or a TIG welder, so I decided to take it home and jack it up and do the repair myself. And if you're going to do it like this, get jack stands or something to keep the car from falling on you. This bracket here needs to be removed to give you better view and access to the flange. Once you have the pipe reinserted in the flange, you need to take a screwdriver or a marker and mark how it goes in so that when you pull it off to re-weld it, you can make sure to get it right and not have it any degrees off. You need to remove the clamp at the back of the pipe so you can separate it. On this one I also put new nuts and bolts on. And then you're also going to need to remove this bracket here. There's 4 bolts holding it on, and then you have 2 O2 sensors, one at the top up here and then one down past the catalytic converter. There's going to be 4 16mm nuts to remove, and when you have everything repaired and you're putting it back together, be sure to put some kind of an anti-seize on it before you reinstall. And I highly recommend finding someone with a TIG welder to weld this so that it doesn't get the flange too hot and warp it or burn a hole in the pipe itself. They need to weld it along this crack right here and then on the outside of the flange. Volkswagen. Look how nice and clean the weld looks on the inside and the outside of the flange. Then before you install it, make sure you get a new gasket to go in between the two. This is looking inside from the engine compartment down onto the flange. You can get to the top 16mm nuts pretty easy from here.